Growth, the basis of growth, is the reason why we grow. Cell division, cell enlargement, cell differentiation, the reason why we grow. So today we are looking at the topic growth. What is growth? Growth is an irreversible increase in size and mass of an organism after utilization of food. So what are some questions that they can ask you under this topic, growth? They can ask you to mention the basis of growth, and that we can see from the song that I sang, the basis of growth, which includes cell division, cell enlargement, and cell differentiation. In my next video, I'll be talking more about cell division, which involves mitosis and meiosis. But today, we are just looking at some questions that they can actually ask you directly on the growth. Now, they can ask you another question that you should mention factors that can affect growth, either in plants or in animal. And we have two major factors that can affect growth, which is the internal factor and the external factor. The internal factor, they are factors like your genetic constitution, like hormones. Those are the internal factors that can affect growth. Then we have external factors that can affect growth. This include your temperature, light, water, oxygen. The question they can ask you under growth is that you should differentiate between growth in plants and growth in animal. Let's just look at maybe 2 or 3 points. The first time they ask you the question to differentiate between growth in plants or growth in animal, the first thing you should do is that you should tabulate. You draw a table. Then so after drawing your table, growth in animal takes place in all parts of the body at the same time. That means as my head is growing, my body is also growing. I just try and imagine if only your head is increasing and other parts of your body is not growing. So growth in animal rather takes place in all parts of the body at the same time, whereas growth in plant takes place only in the growing region called the meristem. The meristem is usually found at the apical part of your plant, that is the apex of your shoots and the apex of your roots. So that's where those meristem tissues are found. They have the tendency to divide. So that's where growth will only take place at the shoots, the tip of the shoots and the tip of your roots. That's the difference. Let's look at another difference. Growth in plants, they are directly influenced by external factors like your temperature, water, sunlight, like I've said earlier on. Whereas growth in animal, they are not directly affected by this external factor. So we're going to stop here for today. In our next episode, we're going to be looking at mitosis. These are mitosis and meiosis, which are examples of your cell division. See you